Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing video by Akarsh Seggemu. Today I am going to unbox the phone cases for iPhone 13 mini and Google Pixel 8. I got two phone cases here. As you can see, this is for the iPhone 13. You can see the camera's pointed horizontally, so this one speaker, and I have Google Pixel 4a. So this is from 2DR. They are the cases. Let's check it out. Starting with let's check out the okay, so it is not complicated. From speaker for the iPhone 13. So there's a flap with arrow pointer. I thought of cutting it down with my letter opener, but this seems a nice design so far. Okay, this is the iPhone 13 mini case. Wow, neatly designed. Okay, so there is a protective film here. I think also from the inside the case. I think this is a clear case. I think let's try it on the iPhone 13. This is the iPhone 13. So before putting on the case, let me just gently clean it and removes the protective film on the bottom. You can see it's still sticky, nicely made from Sweden. And there is also one. Okay, before I put the bottom one, let me just try if this fits properly or not. Yeah, always take a cleaning cloth. Any dust. I think this is a bit hard because it has glass on both sides. So let's put the camera in first and then the other way around at the bottom. Okay, this looks nice. Let me just peel out the bottom. You can see it's a very nice finish. You can clearly see the product red and the black and red combination. Looks very nice. Thank you for watching. Hey everyone, hello. I will try to put the case on the Google Pixel 4a. So let me take out the case. So this looks very nice designed case. So designed in USA, made in China. Okay, not bad. The looks of it on the bump. So let me take out the Google Pixel 4a. Yeah, I mean, just checked out. I always try to put the camera first. Okay. Yeah, this fits fine. Let me take out the plastic cover. Okay, that came out smoothly. The look and feel is nice. Also, the fingerprint is very smooth. You can see there is a curve bump, and there is also a good protection for the camera. As you can see, there is a small edges popping out, so it looks good when I keep it on flat surface and bottom.